Welcome back to Gentle Herb Living. Today we're going to explore a simple, affordable and powerful way to feed your plants using nature's own ingredients. If you've been searching for a way to nourish your garden without synthetic chemicals, you'll love these DIY herbal fertilizers. From banana peel tea to compost and comfrey brews, these homemade plant tonics are rich in nutrients and incredibly easy to make. Let's start with why herbal fertilizers matter. Most store-bought fertilizers are synthetic and can harm beneficial soil life, pollute water, and lead to chemical dependency in your plants. But when you make your own fertilizers using herbs and food scraps, you're working with nature, not against it. These herbal teas are full of natural minerals and micronutrients, and they also boost soil health, support beneficial microbes, and improve long-term plant resilience. First up is banana peel tea. Bananas are rich in potassium and phosphorus, two key nutrients for flowering and fruiting plants. To make it, simply chop up a few banana peels and soak them in a jar of water for 2 to 3 days. The result is a mild, potassium-rich tea that you can pour directly around the base of your tomatoes, peppers, squash, or any plant that's starting to bloom. You can also bury banana peels in your garden to slowly release nutrients over time. Next is one of the most powerful plant fertilizers, comfrey tea. Comfrey is a deep-rooted herb that mines nutrients from the subsoil, especially nitrogen, potassium, and calcium. To make comfrey fertilizer, gather a handful or two of comfrey leaves and stuff them into a bucket or large jar. Fill it with water, cover loosely, and let it steep for 2 to 3 weeks. Fair warning, it smells terrible, but your plants will love it. Once it's ready, dilute the liquid 1 to 10 with water and use it around heavy feeders like tomatoes, cucumbers, and pumpkins. Another fantastic herbal fertilizer is nettle tea. Nettles are packed with nitrogen, iron, and magnesium, perfect for boosting leafy greens and overall plant vigor. Just like comfrey, chop or crush the nettles, soak them in water for 1 to 2 weeks, then strain and dilute before using. Wear gloves when harvesting nettles and apply this brew every 1 to 2 weeks during the growing season. You'll notice a visible boost in growth, color, and resilience. So let's not forget about compost tea, which is, a classic favorite in organic gardening. Compost tea feeds the soil rather than just the plant, helping beneficial microbes multiply and support root development. To make it, you'll want to scoop a few shovels of finished compost into a mesh bag or maybe an old pillowcase, and then submerge it in a 5-gallon bucket of water. Let it steep for 1 to 3 days, giving it a stir every now and then. This nutrient-rich tea can be used on any plant, and honestly, it works wonders for seedlings and stressed crops. Here's a bonus herbal tip for you. Try adding seaweed, or even just a little molasses to your compost or comfrey teas. Seaweed is packed with trace minerals that are often missing in soil, and molasses, well, it helps feed the beneficial bacteria and fungi your plants rely on. Now, here are a few quick best practices for herbal fertilizer success. Always strain your tea before using it in a watering can or sprayer. Apply in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid burning the leaves. Never store fermented teas for more than a few weeks. They're honestly best when fresh. And finally, make sure to dilute strong brews like comfrey and nettle so you don't end up overwhelming your plants. Using these DIY herbal fertilizers is more than just a gardening trick. It's a way to work in harmony with the earth, recycle waste, and bring vitality back into your garden naturally. You'll save money, reduce chemical use, and grow stronger, more flavorful food and herbs. Thanks so much for watching Gentle Herb Living. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite natural fertilizer recipe in the comments below. Until next time, stay rooted, stay nourished, and stay well with nature.